Welcome to another interesting hair tutorial. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve that beautiful hairstyle you can see on my thumbnail. So first of all, I'm going to be parting the hair into 2 equal parts. Then after parting the hair, I'm going to hold this one down. Then from this side I'm going to part out a triangle shape, just like you can see in the video. So after parting out the triangle shape, I'm going to detangle it and I'll braid it down. I'll braid it all the way through the end. So once I get to the end, I will not be twisting it at the very end. So I'm going to part out the second one, brush it out, then wash carefully, and you see how I'm going to connect this first braid. I'm going to connect it to the second one. So I'm going to turn it like that, part out a little bit from the second one, and I'm going to divide it into 3 and I'll start braiding it. I'll just continue the last braid. I'm going to connect it to the second pattern, and that's just it. So once I get to this end here, I'm going to leave it like that, part out another one. This is a continuous, I don't know if I should call it zigzag, but this is not zigzag. This is a kind of a continuous braid. So I'm just going to connect this one as well. I'm going to braid it all, and I'm going to braid it all the way through the end of the hair. So once I get to that end like that, I'm going to part out another one, and when I part out another one, you can wash again. I'm going to part out small, and this small that I part out, I'll comb it out, then divide it into 3. I'll get this other one, divide everything into 3, and I'll continue braiding. It's a continuous braid, so I'll continue braiding it, and that's just it. I will make use of that same pattern and I'll braid it all the way throughout this half size. If this is your first time of seeing our videos, you're welcome to our channel. Here we do hairstyle videos, so do well to subscribe if you find it interesting. Now this is it. As you can see, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this other side. So once I finish doing that, I'm just going to kind of tuck in these braids. I'm going to tuck it so that it will look like it's continuous braid. So I'm just going to tuck everything in. That's what you see me do in this video now. So after tucking everything inside, you can see how it looks. You can as well at this end here put clips or put African beads in it to make it to look more African. If you like this hairstyle, like, comment and subscribe to our channel.